What's up, YouTube? Coming to you guys back with another video. I hope everybody's having a great start to the year. Hope everybody had a great holidays. Happy to be back and happy to bring you guys a new interior upgrade that I got from Mugen. This is a inner door protector, so I'll go ahead and show you guys a shot of the box. So you guys can see, we've got the door inner protector, and when you open it up, we've got some instructions. Right here. It's in different language, probably Japanese, but anyway, this should be a very simple installation and product to install. So here is the door inner protectors, and basically this is really to help protect the plastics of the door when you're getting in and out of the car, so that you're not kicking the door panel. We have this protector, so yeah, it's very similar to like the door handle protectors. I'll show you guys a shot of those right now. Yeah, so very similar product. Like I said, even the same materials, same design. Just, you know, something to help, you know, protect the interior and spice it up a little bit. So like I said, it shouldn't be too much of a difficult install. So we'll go ahead and get started. Okay, so we have the product right here. Like I said, very similar to the door handle protectors that I have already installed in the car. But just to give you guys a look at where it goes, it'll go right here and just kind of protect this portion of the door when you're getting in and out of the car. But yeah, it looks like it's just some type of adhesive, and then we'll go ahead and get this applied here in the door and show you what it looks like. Alright guys, so here's a shot at the finished product. I've got it installed on both sides. The one piece of advice I'd recommend is sometimes with the edges, like for here, you may want to warm it up like a blow dryer or something, just to get that optimum adhesion to the plastic. But yeah, not a bad install at all, and I'm overall very happy with it. I'll leave you guys with some shots. Alright guys, so that's going to do it for this video. I want to give a big shout out to my friend Nick. He's also local to Las Vegas, and he actually ordered these for me overseas. They're not yet available through King Motorsports, which is usually where I purchase my my Mugen products. But Nick came through in the clutch, and he was able to order that for me. So once again, I appreciate that. Alright guys, so that's going to be a wrap for this video. I just want to give everybody a thanks. I really appreciate the support, and I just want to let you guys know what's coming next. So I've still got the bolt-ons. I've got the PRL charge pipes, the inlet pipe, and the RV6 down pipe. So that will be coming soon. I'm looking to get those pieces installed. I may take them down to Kiju Motorsports and let them install it for me, since I'm just kind of tight on time for now, but we'll see how that goes. So that's coming up next. And then I also have the door sills, the factory door sills. I just haven't had a chance to get those installed. I had this for about a year now, so hopefully I can find some time over the next week or so to get that installed. But like I said, just want to thank everybody. I really appreciate the support, and that's going to be a wrap for this video.